Hello guys, in this short video I will teach you how to convert any image into pixel art in MS Excel. So you can take any image and convert into a pixel art in MS Excel. So before I start, I would like to give a brief introduction of pixel art. So you can see I have turned my cat's image into pixel art. So while I turn it into pixel art, I make the image coarse, and in Excel what we do is we paint each and every cell corresponding to each pixel of the image to depict the original image. So you can see it feels like I've imported the image of my cat, but it's not so. So if I zoom it, so like you can see these are just individual cells corresponding, painted in such a way that they look painted in such a way like each and individual cell correspond to each and every pixel of the original image. So when zoomed out, it looks like the original image. So how did I do this? It seems daunting to do it manually, but I have written a Python script with help of chat GPT to achieve the same. So I have imported the OS module and pillow library and OpenPyXL libraries. So if you don't have the pillow and the OpenPyXL libraries, you have to install them using the pip command. Then I have defined the function of find image in directory. So what this code does is scans for the image in your working directory of the code, and it passes the image to the code. Then the main function, that is image to the Excel function, where it first first finds the image in the current directory. Then it opens the image and resizes it. Then it opens a new workbook using the OpenPyXL commands. Then it loops through the resized image. So it first resizes the image to make it coarser. Then it loops through the resized images pixel and gets the RGB values of each and every pixel and converts the RGB values into hex values so that it becomes Excel friendly. Then it scans through the cells of the MS Excel sheet and fills the each and every cell corresponding to the pixels of the image, the resized image pixels. Then it adjusts the cell width and height of the designated region to make it square, so that your pixels cannot be rectangles, so it has to make it square. So then then it saves the Excel sheet. Then this is the command which invokes the functions and runs it. And you can see there is a cell size option. So cell size by increasing the cell size, you make it more finer, but it comes off with a trade-off. So if you make the cells more finer, then then the code takes more time to run. So it's a trade-off between accuracy and speed. So let me show you how we have to run this code. So this is my folder, working folder. So um, let me delete the Excel sheet and run it again, so that you can understand how this can be done. Okay, so I will delete the Excel sheet. Command delete. Okay, so let me so you can see I have placed the image and the Python script in the same folder. So if you remember, the script scans for the image in the working directory, then it passes to the code. So I have kept the image in the JPG. You can keep in JPG or PNG formats. Okay, I am in the working directory. So Python pixelart.py. So you can see some time to compile. Then it uh, yeah, then it returned the pixelart.xlxx file. So can just zoom out, and here we are. And you can display all the borders so that it looks that you have done it in MS Excel. Thank you.